In this video, we will guide you on how to set up your availability and services of your MindHelp Practitioner account. First, go to the menu on your left and click on the Availability button. On the top right, click Just Scheduling Limit. First column here is the minimum hours before users can book your services. For example, if I set it to be 24 hours, that means users who make booking today can only book my services for tomorrow and onwards. Second column is the maximum number of days before a session that the users can make a booking. If you set this at 14 days, that means on 1st of January, users can make bookings for sessions up to 14th January only. Your sessions for 15th January and onwards are not shown to the users on MindHelp. The third column is the smallest unit of time for each session. For example, if you filled in 15 minutes in this column, users can book for your service at 10 o'clock, 10:15, 10:30, and onwards. If you filled in 30 minutes, then the session selection becomes 10 o'clock, 10:30, 11, and so on. Click Save when you are done. Next, click on Anywhere on the calendar to set up your shifts. Start with selecting the Set Regular Shifts option. Click on all the days that you are available. On each day, click Add Shift to set your shift. Fill in your shift time. You can also add multiple shifts in a day. If you are having regular shift for all other days, click Apply to Others. This will apply the same shift settings to other days that you selected. If there are some changes, just click on it and edit. You will see a summary of the total hours per day. Click Next and save your shift in the calendar. Click on the navigation here to look into the other weeks. Click Today to navigate to current week. In some days, you might not be available for a certain period. You can click on the day and click Edit this day. Then you can change your shift for that day. Another option will be to add a time off for a certain day. For example, you can click on Wednesday and select Add Time Off. You can set a specific time off so that users will not be able to book at this time. Once your availability is all set up, go to the menu bar and click Services. On the top right corner, click on Add New Service and input the service name. You can write description that best describes your services. Then set the duration for this service and add a price to this service. Please take note that all amount is in Malaysian ringgit. Next, on the right side, you can create intake form. Users are required to answer questions in the intake form before they can make a booking. If you already set up an intake form, you can select from here. else click Create New Form. Fill in a name for this form and add description. There are two types of questions format that you can use. First is a free text question. For example, you can ask the user, what is the main objective for this session, or what problems they are trying to solve. You can mark this question as mandatory to answer or optional for the users. Second format, you can add multiple choice questions as well. For example, you can ask users how they know about you. Then you can add multiple options for this question. You can mark this question as optional or mandatory as well. And you can choose to let users pick only one option as answer. Or untick this checkbox so users can select multiple options. Once you are done, click Create and Attach Form. Then select this form for this service. You can click Publish when you are done. Then this service will be available for the users to book on MindHelp. Or you can revert it as draft if you wish to do any changes and hide this service from user. And when you are ready, you can publish it again. Now you have completed your setup, and you are ready to accept new booking. In the next video, you will learn how you can set up your Stripe account to receive payment from the user's booking. Thanks for watching.